Hello and welcome to Health and Fitness University. Hello and welcome to Health and Fitness University, where we educate and motivate you to take charge of your health and achieve lifelong wellness. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to stay updated on all of our latest health tips. Are you struggling with an underactive thyroid? Do you want to know the best foods, exercise, and habits to keep your thyroid healthy? If so, then this video is for you. In today's session, we will explain the thyroid in detail, discuss its importance, review symptoms of thyroid problems, go through a list of do's and don'ts, and finally, discuss some great ways to support your thyroid naturally. Let's begin with a very important question. What is the thyroid? The thyroid is a small gland in your neck that produces hormones that control how fast or slow your body uses energy. Hormones are chemical messengers that travel throughout the body, delivering critical information to tissues and organs. They help regulate many important functions, including growth, metabolism, and sexual function. The thyroid releases three main hormones: thyroxine, T4, triiodothyron, T3, and thyroid-stimulating hormone, TSH. Together, these hormones determine how fast your body converts food into energy. Thyroid disorders occur when the thyroid hormones are not in balance. Thyroid disorders are conditions that affect the thyroid gland and its ability to produce the right amount of hormones. According to the American Thyroid Association, more than 12% of Americans have some form of thyroid disorder, making it one of the most common health problems in the United States. Thyroid disorders are diagnosed by measuring the amount of thyroid hormones in the blood. There are two types of thyroid disorders: hyperthyroidism and hypothyroidism. Hyperthyroidism occurs when the thyroid gland produces too many hormones. Hypothyroidism occurs when the thyroid gland does not produce enough hormones. Both types of thyroid disorders can cause serious problems if left untreated. Let's look at some of the symptoms of thyroid disorders. Hypothyroidism or underactive thyroid symptoms include fatigue, weight gain, depression, dry skin, cold intolerance, constipation, thinning hair, and slower heart rate. Hyperthyroidism or overactive thyroid symptoms include anxiety, rapid heartbeat, tremors, heat intolerance, frequent urination, weight loss, and thinning of the skin. The symptoms of a thyroid disorder can vary from person to person depending on the severity of the condition. Some people may only experience mild symptoms, while others may experience more severe symptoms. Now that we understand what the thyroid does and what happens when it is not working properly, let's get into the top 5 foods to help boost thyroid function. Food No. 1. Iodine-rich foods. Iodine is an essential nutrient that is necessary for the production of thyroid hormones. It is found in a variety of foods, including seaweed, cod, eggs, and iodized salt. Seaweed is a type of algae that grows in the ocean. It is a rich source of iodine and other essential nutrients. Cod is a fatty fish that is high in iodine. Eggs are a versatile food that can be prepared in many different ways. They are a good source of iodine and other essential nutrients. Iodized salt is a type of salt that has been treated with iodine. It is a cost-effective way to ensure that you are getting enough iodine in your diet. No. 2. Selenium. Selenium is a trace mineral that plays an important role in protecting the thyroid from oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is a process that can damage cells and lead to disease. Selenium is found in Brazil nuts, tuna, and sunflower seeds. Brazil nuts come from the Brazilian nut tree. They are a great source of selenium and other essential nutrients. Tuna is a type of fish that is high in selenium. Sunflower seeds are a type of nut that is a good source of selenium. No. 3. Zinc. Zinc is a trace mineral that is necessary for the conversion of thyroid hormone T4 to its active form, T3. T3 is the form of thyroid hormone that the body uses to regulate metabolism. Zinc is found in beef, pumpkin seeds, and lentils. Beef is a type of meat that is high in zinc. Pumpkin seeds are a type of nut that is a good source of zinc. Lentils are a type of legume that is a great source of zinc. Food No. 4. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential fatty acids that play an important role in reducing inflammation in the body. Inflammation is a process that can lead to disease. Omega-3 fatty acids are found in fatty fish such as salmon and sardines. Salmon is a type of fish that is high in omega-3 fatty acids. Sardines are small fish that are packed with omega-3 fatty acids. Food No. 5. Leafy greens and berries. Leafy greens and berries are high in antioxidants. Antioxidants are substances that protect cells from damage. They also help to detoxify harmful substances in the body. Some examples of leafy greens are spinach, kale, and collard greens. Examples of berries are blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries. There are certain foods that should be avoided if you have a thyroid disorder. Soy in large amounts can interfere with the absorption of iodine, which can worsen thyroid disorders. Heavily processed foods contain refined carbohydrates and unhealthy fats that can contribute to inflammation in the body. Raw cruciferous vegetables, such as cabbage, can interfere with the absorption of thyroid hormones. But cooked cruciferous vegetables, such as broccoli, have a positive effect on thyroid function. Now that we discussed the top 5 foods that help to improve thyroid function, let's talk about the 3 best exercises to keep your thyroid healthy. Exercise No. 1. Walking or light cardio. Walking or light cardio such as cycling or swimming is a great way to support thyroid function. Gentle movement helps to improve circulation and increase blood flow to the thyroid gland. This helps to deliver oxygen and nutrients to the gland, which improves its overall health. It also helps to reduce stress and anxiety, both of which can negatively impact thyroid function. Aim for at least 30 minutes of walking or light cardio most days of the week. Exercise No. 2. Strength training. Strength training is an important component of maintaining a healthy thyroid. By building muscle mass, you increase your body's insulin sensitivity, which helps to regulate blood sugar levels. Insulin resistance is a common problem among people with thyroid disorders. So improving insulin sensitivity can be a great way to help manage your condition. Strength training also helps to maintain a healthy body weight, which is important for proper thyroid function. It is recommended to aim for 2 to 3 strength training sessions per week, targeting all major muscle groups. Exercise No. 3. Yoga and deep breathing. Yoga and deep breathing exercises are great ways to reduce stress and lower cortisol levels. Chronic stress can elevate cortisol levels, which can negatively impact thyroid function. These exercises can help to activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for calming the body down. They also help to increase blood flow to the thyroid gland, which can improve its overall health. Several studies have shown that practicing yoga and deep breathing exercises can help to reduce the symptoms of thyroid disorders. If you have hypothyroidism, it is important to start slowly and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. Overexertion can lead to fatigue and exhaustion, which can worsen thyroid symptoms. Consistency is key with exercise. It is more important to exercise regularly at a moderate intensity than to push yourself to hard and exhaust your body. Next, let's look at the lifestyle habits that can help protect the thyroid. Habit No. 1. Prioritize sleep. Getting enough sleep is an important part of maintaining good health. When you don't get enough sleep, your body produces more of the stress hormone cortisol. High levels of cortisol can interfere with thyroid function and worsen thyroid symptoms. It is recommended to get between 7 and 9 hours of sleep each night. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time each day to help regulate your body's natural sleep-wake cycle. Create a relaxing bedtime routine to help signal to your body that it's time to sleep. This could include things such as reading, taking a warm bath, or listening to calming music. Habit No. 2. Manage stress. As mentioned earlier, chronic stress can elevate cortisol levels, which can negatively impact thyroid function. It is important to find healthy ways to manage stress, such as exercise, yoga, meditation, or spending time in nature. Taking time to relax and distress can help to reduce the risk of developing a thyroid disorder and can help to improve thyroid symptoms. Habit No. 3. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is essential for good health. Water helps to transport hormones throughout the body, including thyroid hormones. Dehydration can lead to a decrease in thyroid hormone levels, which can worsen thyroid symptoms. It is recommended to drink at least 8 cups of water per day. You may need to drink more water if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or if you live in a hot climate. Habit No. 4. Avoid toxins. Certain toxins, such as bisphenol A, BPA found in plastic, heavy metals, and polychlorinated biphenyls PCBs can interfere with thyroid function. It is important to avoid exposure to these toxins as much as possible. Use glass or stainless steel water bottles instead of plastic ones. Choose organic produce whenever possible to reduce your exposure to pesticides and herbicides. Limit your intake of processed and canned foods, which can contain BPA. Habit No. 5. Get your levels checked. If you are experiencing any symptoms of a thyroid disorder, it is important to see your doctor and get your thyroid levels checked. Thyroid disorders are relatively easy to diagnose with a simple blood test. Treatment for thyroid disorders is available and can be highly effective. Thyroid disorders are common and can cause a range of unpleasant symptoms. Fortunately, there are steps that you can take to support your thyroid health. By following the tips outlined in this video, you can help to keep your thyroid functioning at its best. Remember to eat a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Get regular exercise, manage stress effectively, and prioritize your overall health and well-being. We hope that you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Please like and share it with friends and family if you found it helpful. We would love to hear from you in the comments below. What are your top tips for keeping your thyroid healthy? Until next time, stay healthy and take care.